शतरंज किसकी जिंदगी का किसका मोहरा है। इंसान एक है मगर किरदार सबका दोहरा है। Hey guys, this is your emotionally prince. Welcome everyone. Today I came here with a great story that can plop your heart. And my story is based on how we connect relationship. For this I would like to start with some story, and the story begins with once a teacher came to class and she asked a question: if A equal to B and B equal to C, then A barabar C gave me a practical example. One boy from my class named Rahul, he said, "Ma'am, I love you, you love your daughter." Well, I don't need to explain about this statement. We all having ideas about how to connect relationship, but we have no idea about when the relationship become divert, how we control it. So for this, I would like to start with a great story. And the story is that once a man, much reserved by nature, was very hesitant to ask his boss for a rise in my salary. As a man came to his office, he was extremely nervous, anxious, and very apprehensive throughout the day. When he came back home, he saw a beautiful dinner table, fine crockery, beautiful candle lit up. His wife had prepared a festive meal to celebrate the occasion. He guessed someone from his office might have tipped her off and informed her about it. Anyways, he got into kitchen, hugged her and gave her good news, and came sat down to have his meal. Right there on a table was a card. The man picked up the card and read the contents. As he read the contents on the card said, "Congratulations, darling. I knew you will get the salary rise. This thing, fine crockery, beautiful candle, fantastic meal, all these things are tell you how much I love you." Thank you. Pray by pray, the lady served her husband, and when she back into kitchen finally to bring the dessert, from the packet of her apron fell into another card. Unknown to her, the man picked up the card and read the contents. As he read the contents, the card said, "Don't worry, darling. If you don't get the salary rise, you will deserve much more than that. This thing, fine crockery, beautiful candle, fantastic meal, all these things are simply meant to tell you how much I love you." Total love, total acceptance, total support. Her love for him was unconditional. It didn't depend on his success at work. If he would be failed, if he would be rejected, he would needed total acceptance, total support. Whether we get success or failures, it doesn't matter. Matter is that how we avoid misunderstanding between the relationship. Now this was the short script about this, and I would like to clarify more again. Actually, once a husband and a wife were newly married. They were walking in the evening after dinner, and suddenly the husband tucked wife aside. The wife said, "Kya hua ji?" The husband said, "Darling, there was this puddle of water in front. So I didn't want you to step on it, so I pulled you aside." 10 years later, the husband and wife were again walking, and there was water in front. The husband said, "Careful, there is water in front." 20 years later, the husband and wife were again walking, and there was water in front. The husband said, "Andhi hai, are you blind? Can you not see there is water in front?" Actually, relationships are like a bank balances. If you wish to withdraw from your account, you need to make a deposit. if you don't make a deposit, then how you will withdraw from your account? Suppose if you go to cashier and present a check of 1 lakh, the cashier says कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. Why not? Whatever you had has been withdrawn. So in the same way, relationship work. When we scold somebody, it is a withdrawal. When we force somebody to do something, it is a withdrawal. When we correct someone, it is a withdrawal. When we smile at someone, we are making a deposit. When we praise someone, we are making a deposit. When we help others, we are making a deposit. When we sacrifice our time for the others, we are making a deposit. Actually, relationships are based on your perception knowledge. So it doesn't matter that how you misunderstanding is going on your relationship, but the relationship depends on how we have ability to avoid misunderstanding. So one thing I would like to say, the secret of long-lasting sustainable relationship is learning the art of forgiveness. When you say a sorry, when you are wrong, it means you are honest. And when you say a sorry, when you are not sure, you are wise. And when you say a sorry, when you are right, it means your value for relationship is more than being the right. So I would like to say one more. I would like to clarify more and more again, and it will be clarified with some suggestions, some opinions. So I would like to begin with some humors. With the help of humors, I would like to clarify you. Whether you drive a Lamborghini or you drive a Nano, the road remains the same, isn't it? Whether you speak on Samsung or you speak on iPhone X, whoever you are calling remains the same, isn't it?
Yes.
Whether you wear a simple fast track or you wear Omega or Rolex, time remains the same, isn't it?
Yes.
Whether you flying economy or you flying business, the destination remains the same, isn't it? Actually, it's quite amazing how we work ourselves up to so much with the increasing the standard of life that we forget to increase the standard of life. So I would like to say, drive Lamborghini, no problem. Rolex, no problem. But never compromise on those principles that can also improve the standard of your life. Actually, we have to take the relationship with the feeling of heartfelt, deep relationship. Then it will follow your relationship and it will make your relationship bigger and stronger. So thank you very much.